In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of backing up your GSuite emails using the BitRecover Google Workspace Backup Wizard. To install the BitRecover Google Workspace Backup Wizard, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. Our tool provides user with Google Workspace account backup. If you have a Google Workspace admin account, you can click on the I am admin option in batch backup mailboxes. Uncheck I am admin option to go back. To begin, enter your Google Workspace credentials and click Sign in with Google option. A new window will open asking to select the Google account to sign in with. Click on Select All option. Our tool also backups email messages and contacts. Click on Continue and go back to the tool. Select or deselect folder for backup using the checkbox in the panel on the left. Select Saving option allows the user to choose a saving method. They can choose from a variety of saving choices. Let's select PSD option for this tutorial. Users can also split PSD files into segments. They can choose the size from the box next to it. Destination path shows the location for the saved backup folder. Click on Change button to select the location. Our tool provides users with filter options for selected backup. Select Use Advanced Settings for selected backup option to use filters such as Date Range, By Sender, Subject, Exclude Folders, Match Exact Words, and exclude attachments. Our tool also supports incremental backup options so that user can backup data that has been modified or created since the previous backup was conducted. User can also use selective export settings for email folder option. Skip contacts option to exclude or include contacts within the backup. Go back to backup option. After configuring all the settings, it's time for the backup process. Simply click the backup button, and the backup process will begin. Once the backup is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the backup process was successful. The trail version will only process 25 messages, and to remove the limit, user will have to purchase license to the software. Click OK. And open the destination folder and access the newly backed up files. You have successfully backed up GSuite emails using the BitRecover Google Workspace Backup Wizard. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.